Alright, big dogs, I'm in tier 4. I sound like shit. Don't give a fuck. Oh, I'm attack Slayer. You remember there were Slayer bullets? They were tight. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, I'm using Legolas. I'm a cheater. But I'm using the beast, so it's fine.
One shot kill.
One shot kill.
One shot kill.
Damn, it's lagging on my end. Sorry. 8.5 average. What's up? Level 4 Nami. Yeah, bro, don't even shoot. It's fine. It's because I'm using my Conqueror's Haki.
One shot kill.
Thanks for the dub, big dog. Sheesh. Here you go, here you go. Komodo dragon.
One shot kill. One shot kill.
That was pretty bad. Honestly, this beast sucks. I ain't even gonna cap. Maybe it feels like my strongest gun to be different, but
One shot
I
kill.
have the Nami and I have the Poison and the Duke.
One shot kill. One shot kill.
That's such a bad shot. Perfect, baby.
One shot kill.
Damn it. I'm kind of lit right now. Sheesh. I'm on my second beatbox.
One shot kill.
Damn. He's just giving me the game at this point. Appreciate it, big dog.
One shot kill. One shot kill.
Oh, yeah. I wish I could type that. Like, no, I'm saying. I wish that could be emoji. Yeah, fuck that rock. I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder. Right there, the dog. Fuck. That suck. I'm an arse sucker.
One shot kill.
It's like the worst shot I've ever done. He ain't gonna catch up, so it's fine. Then you give him that good luck. Good disrespect.
One shot kill.
He did ass and I barely won by 13,000. That's bad.